Assalamu alaikum. I am Hunaina Basir, your science teacher. I hope you all are fine and happy. We have started online classes for you. Inshallah, it will be beneficial for you. Your cooperation is highly required. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. Today we will start our new lesson, lesson 2, life cycle. Reading. All animals have young ones. Some animals lay eggs, but others give birth to young ones. Animals go through various stages of development all through their life. This is called their life cycle. Explanation. Now, what is the meaning of life cycle? Life cycle refers to the stages of our life. There are many stages in our life which starts from the baby. Then it changes into child. Third stage is adult. And after this we get old. And the last step is our death. Same as humans, animals also have their life cycle, which starts from the birth of a baby animal. After the time goes, it changes and become developed day by day. So, the meaning of life cycle is development of the stages, which starts from the baby and ends at the death of an animal. Life cycle of a butterfly. Reading. The life cycle of a butterfly begins with an egg. A butterfly's life cycle completes in 4 stages. First, a butterfly lays eggs on leaves. Second, eggs hatch into a larva called a caterpillar. It eats leaves. Third, the caterpillar attaches itself to a branch and turns into a pupa. Fourth, a butterfly emerges from the pupa. Fifth, when its wings dry, it is ready to fly. Explanation. The life cycle of butterfly has 4 stages. How many stages? 4. What happened in the first step? In the first step, the butterfly gives egg on the leaf. Where? Leaves. Then in the second step, this egg turns into a larva, which is also called caterpillar. Now, what is the caterpillar? Caterpillar is a small insect which loves to eat leaves. By eating these leaves, the caterpillar becomes big. After so many time, this caterpillar attaches itself to a branch of a tree and produce a pocket and grows inside that pocket. In this pocket, the caterpillar turns into a pupa. Then this pupa turns into a butterfly. So we will repeat the steps. What happened in the first step? Butterfly lays egg on the leaf. What happened in the second? This egg becomes a caterpillar. Third step, caterpillar turns into pupa. Fourth, pupa turns into a butterfly. Life cycle of a frog. Reading. The life cycle of a frog also starts with an egg. Like a butterfly, it also grows in 4 stages. First, frogs lay their eggs in water. Second, the eggs hatch into a small fish-like larva called a tadpole that lives in water and has a tail. Third, as the tadpole grows, its legs appear and the tail becomes shorter. Now it is called a froglet. Fourth, the tail disappears and the froglet grows into an adult frog. So, explanation. So, like butterfly, frog also has four stages. How many stages? Four stages. What happened in the first stage of the frog life cycle? Frog lays eggs on the water. Where? On the water. Then these eggs turn into larvae called a tadpole. What is this tadpole? Tadpole is a baby frog which has tail and it lives in a water. Now what happened in the third step? In the third step, this tadpole turns into a froglet. And how it turns into froglet? Because now it has legs and its tail becomes shorter. In the fourth step, what happened? The froglet turns into an adult frog because its tail disappears. Okay, we will repeat the life cycle. How many stages are there in the frog life cycle? Four. What happened in the first step? Frog lays eggs in the water. Second, frog's egg become into a tadpole which has a tail and lives in water. Third step, this tadpole turns into a froglet which has a tail and legs. But this tail becomes shorter now. The fourth step. In this step, the tail disappears and the froglet becomes adult frog. Life cycle of a chicken. Reading. To grow into an adult, a chicken grows through three stages. First one, the hen lays its eggs in a nest. Second, a chick hatches from an egg. Third, the chick grows into an adult chicken. Explanation. So we have three stages in a life cycle of a chicken. What happened in the first step? In the first step, we have a hen which gives egg in a nest. You know, nest is a home of a hen where it gives egg. Now what happened in the second step? In the second step, these eggs turn into chick. Have you seen a chick? It is very small animal and it is very cute. It is a baby hen. Now, in the third step, this chick turns into an adult hen. And from this hen, we get chicken. Comparison. A comparison of the life cycles of a butterfly, frog, and chicken is given below. We have 3 points to compare among these butterfly, frog, and chicken. First point is where these animals lays egg. Butterfly lays eggs on leaves, frog lays eggs in water, and the hen lays eggs in a nest. Means they have different homes. Second point is larva. The eggs of the butterfly turns into a caterpillar and the eggs of a frog turns into a tadpole. And the third one, the eggs of a hen turns into a chick. Okay, ji. As butterfly and frog has 4 stages, so we have another step for them, pupa. A butterfly egg turn into the caterpillar, then turns into a pupa. Same as it is a frog egg which first turns into the tadpole, now turns into a froglet which has leg and tail. Now the final step, the pupa in the butterfly turns into an adult flying butterfly. In the frog, the froglet turns into an adult frog, which is now big. In the chicken, the chick becomes a hen, which gives us chicken.